Hi everyone, so here I've got a smart home sensor. This is a Fibaro window or door sensor, as you can see there. Quick focus on there. So this is from Fibaro. I think they're pretty well recognized as making high quality smart home sensors and devices. This is on the EU frequency of 868, and later on I'll be connecting this to my home hub and including this in some scenes around the home. So I thought I'd just do a quick unboxing video. So quite small, compact little box. So just open that up. Inside you can see the sensor, branded Fibaro. If I just take that out. So this is the main sensor. This has got the Z-Wave receiver and transmitter in there, Z-Wave Plus I believe. Next part is the kind of magnetic switch. So the way this would work, you'd mount this part on the fixed surface of a door or window, and then the smaller part on the opening door or opening window. I don't know if you can see on the video there's a couple of lines, so that indicates where you should mount them in close proximity, and then the magnet would operate the little reed switch. So as the door opens and closes, or this way, it would operate, and then this part using the Z-Wave network would let your hub know that you've got a door or window open, and then you can integrate that into virtual switches or scenes and control whatever you want. So that's those two bits. What else? Should be some instructions. There we are. Normally in multiple languages. There we are. This one is in English. So overall, quite a small little unit. I think I can pretty much integrate this on a door or window. My plan is to put it on a door, and then when the door opens, it will switch automatically the lights on in that particular room. So this is about 70 mil long, I think, that way. It's about 18 mil wide and about 18 mil high. And then just have a quick peek inside. Just get this little bit off there, little tab. And you can see Z-Wave Plus, batteries included. There's a little tab there. Once I pull that out, that will allow the battery to power up the device. And then you can also see there's some little screw recesses, so you would mount that to the door frame or window frame with a screw, or you can peel off this little strip at the back for a self-adhesive tab, and you can just clip this back on. Goes this way actually. Clip that back on, and you're ready to mount. So anyway, I'll do some more videos about how to add this to your Z-Wave hub, and then maybe a couple of tutorials on including it in scenes and things like that. Anyway, hope that helps, and I'll see you in the next one.